Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal or step goals on this smart band. Before we start, if you want to change the step goals on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on it you should see the activities at the top. You can tap on them to open the stats menu, and here you can tap on the more options icon in the top right corner and then tap on stats. And here we can change the goals. We can change the goals for the calories, steps and moving. To change the steps goals, tap on steps and then adjust them by swiping up and down on the screen. Once you change them, tap on OK, and then you can go back and you should see your steps goals being updated. And after that you can close the app, and that's how you change the step goals on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.